What if every person and every country worked every day to become better? No person or country is perfect, but everyone can improve. Here are 10 ways humanity can build a better world and why it matters. Number 10. Education. Give people quality education, critical thinking, science, history, finances, and life skills. Why? Education creates opportunities and helps societies make better decisions. Number 9. Respect everyone. Treat people with dignity regardless of nationality, race, gender, religion, wealth, or background. Why? Respect can reduce hatred, discrimination, and conflict. Number 8. Fight corruption. Governments and institutions should be transparent and accountable. Why? Less corruption means public resources can better reach the people who need them. Number 7. Create opportunities. Support jobs, businesses, entrepreneurship, and fair economic opportunities. Why? Opportunities help people build stable and productive lives. Number 6. Protect families and children. Children deserve safety, education, guidance, and protection from abuse and exploitation. Why? Today's children become tomorrow's adults, parents, workers, and leaders. Number 5. Improve healthcare. Make essential healthcare more accessible, affordable, and effective. Why? Healthy people can learn, work, create, and contribute to society. Number 4. Protect the environment. Reduce pollution, protect clean water, preserve nature, and use resources responsibly. Why? There is no replacement planet, and future generations depend on it. Number 3. Reject violence and crime. Prevent violence while addressing the problems that contribute to crime. Why? People cannot truly prosper when they live in fear. Number 2. Take personal responsibility. Ask yourself, what can I do better? Keep your promises, admit mistakes, control your anger, help others, and keep learning. Why? Countries are made of people. Better citizens help create better communities. Number 1. Choose cooperation over destruction. Countries don't have to agree on everything, but they can cooperate on global problems like poverty, disease, climate change, war, and crime. Why? Humanity shares one future. We don't have to create a perfect world overnight. We just need to make tomorrow's world safer, fairer, healthier, smarter, and more peaceful than today's. One person can improve, one community can improve, one country can improve. Together, humanity can improve. What is the number one thing you think your country should improve?